Akala ko dati, the only way to have peace is to kill the dream. Alam mo yun, yung parang magpaka-martyr ka, di ba? Yung die to self, ika nga nila. If hindi na ako ito, then dapat hindi ko na gusto to. But it didn't work. And really because hindi naman desire yung problema. I wanted it. The stage, the music, the entire production process, the gigs. And then, even now, the thought of someone listening to the songs that I write, magre-release pa nga ako or nag-release na ako at this point na nagpe-play to. The thought na people listen to it still thrills me. And kapag I watch a band that I really love play, I still glow up. I resonate. Something inside me still gets giddy when it comes to music. And that used to confuse me. Kasi akala ko kung nag-move on na ako, dapat hindi na ako ganito, hindi na ako gigil sa music. So I started asking, bakit nandito pa rin siya? Ang tagal ko nang pinapatay, tumatanda na ako, dami ko ng meaningful things na na-accomplish, and yet, it still is here. And slowly I realized, hindi naman problema yung desire eh. Hindi music yung problema. Yung problema is I am being owned by the dream. Kasi may pinagkaiba yun eh. Wanting music versus needing music to feel validated. Before kasi hindi ko lang naman gusto yung music eh. What I really was fighting for is respect, validation, to feel seen, significance. Kaya nasa music naka-attach yung identity ko eh. Kasi pag merong nakarinig sa akin, pakiramdam ko I matter. But now, I can want music. As a matter of fact, I really still want it. At the time of this posting, I just released a new song. So I still do music. I can create music. And you know why I still can do this now? Because it's no longer music that defines who I am. Kaya I can pursue it without being destroyed if no one listens. And that changed everything for me. Because now, yung effect niya is freedom. I'm free to try, I'm free to fail, and then I'm free to create again based on what I learned because I'm not out there to prove something anymore. I'm simply out there to express something. Want to write for my wife? I'll write for my wife. I want to write about my life? I'll write about my life. I want to write about anything? I'll write about anything because it's not to be seen. It's simply, music is simply part of who I am. And expressing it is what makes me happy. And if it grows, praise God. If people listen, praise God. If not, I'm still okay. You see, I didn't lose the desire. I just stopped letting it own me.